Okay, so this is another video of just building my game, alright? So, I thought I'd do a new style doing commentary, to just kind of explain how everything, what I'm doing and stuff, so I thought this was a new cool thing to do. So, yeah, so I got some little issues with audio and keyboard, so if I'm doing a command, my keyboard is very audible. So, let's see, I was working on this NPCs, so I had a friend used a /kill Eddie command, alright, and so yeah, normally in a normal world that would be fine, like, oh, you just want to get rid of monsters that are lagging, or you know, you're doing something that's lagging your game, kill Eddie, in this, no, because I have NPCs and armor stands that do a variety of things, so all my NPCs just got unalived, and now I'm gonna have to I'm in the middle of fixing them, so I was picking up right here, but actually while I was doing this, I found a thing that I could actually make the NPCs better. Okay, there we go. To make the NPCs the code run better in a way. So using an execute command, just with @ps, like other players getting triggered in certain functions that they're not actually a part of, or they shouldn't be a part of. So yeah, I already coded this in earlier, but then I thought, oh, I can do a thing to make it not accidentally hit a player that's not actually nearby because it's @p, and I want to make sure it's the players in a radius of 5 blocks from where the NPC is. This one I'm having to use a positioned at a different area because the armor has a I can't fit all, was it 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 6, no, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, no, 8, it's actually 8, all 8 buttons to buy. There's 8 different things you can buy here: leather gear, chain gear, and then a weak shield. So I have to use other NPCs because the max buttons is 6. So I go into here and it goes to leather armor. Actually, wait a minute, that's not even right. I feel like I thought I had this right. Who is opening leather armor, leather gear? Okay, there's another. Oh, it's this one. I see. Wait. Why does this one have the tag? Because it opens nearest NPC. Oh, because I saved the NPC. I see. I did that on accident. I should not have done that. I accidentally saved this NPC in a structure block to make it easier for replicating NPCs with the same dialogue and buttons, especially with a shop. I saved it in a structure block, and I forgot I tagged this NPC with a tag that it's not supposed to have. So nearest NPC, remove leather. It's this one. Alright, now it should work. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so I pull up this menu and the 4 different leather armor, and then I go to oh yeah, because I'm in creative, so it's not going to do it fully as it should be. Chain gear, 3. There's no boots. You have to go all the way out. Okay, and then go to the weak shield. Right. So this NPC will be directly like in the normal spot. So I wanted to do a thing that has a radius of 5 blocks. So if you don't have 5 gold nuggets, it's gonna make the next closest player purchase it. So I need to have this radius thing so other players aren't billed when the person who was trying to buy something clearly didn't have enough cash. So these, because they're different, I need to set an execute, so it executes at the same position as this NPC. Honestly, I could do execute as within the tag of the armor, and then positioned tilde, now positioned at the exact corner that the armor will stand at right there, and the radius of 5 blocks. Same there, radius of 5 blocks. This one I gotta do this one, so I go set a radius of 5 blocks from exactly where the NPC is standing. Run the tag, because the tag tags the player that they're buying the chainmail legs. Alright, ignore the voice crack. They're gonna buy the chainmail legs. This command block here looks for players with chainmail legs all the time. Repeat, always active, no delay, always looking. It's technically running right now. Once it finds it, I have a function to to buy it. You know, clear money, give the item, give a title like thanks for your purchase, make a nice little sound, and then in the function which removes the buying tag from that player that's buying it. So that's all that's doing. Now where's I at? Down here, that's to close the dialogue. So, yep, I got it all, and I already did the leather. Right there, so I got leather and chain gear, so now it's gonna beautifully work together. Now I'm gonna go over to this guy. This guy's what do I call this? Weaponsmith. I feel like that's what it'd be called. I think that's what I had. I forget, honestly, because I lost NPCs. But I'm going to do a new thing. You'll actually see it appear in the chat. Just for my workers to not use commands to do that. It's right there. It goes. Now, I also wanted to make the item frames above here. These are just to help me know what the function is. This is a function for a copper sword. I think actually there was an update. No. Was that Java? I think that was Java. I made my own custom stuff, as you know. Unless you're watching this before the game comes out. Inventory unlocks. Inventory is like blocked out, and you have to get these items to get more inventory space. So I also made a bronze and copper sword. Just like the stone sword, I believe. Yes. They just have higher durabilities and stuff, and you can only find them and buy them. You cannot craft them. So yeah, anyway, so next, yeah, so that's what that does, and that just kind of shows me what you can purchase here. But I also want to make the item frames that their players are going to be able to switch them and stuff. I want to make them, you know, static item frames. So I'm going to do a copy and command block on each of these to go up. And I think, is there, okay, good, there's not an anvil. Okay, cool, yeah, they're going to go up. Oh, there's an offset to it, actually. Oh, that's fine. This will just go over. That'll go all to the right. Now I'll go 2 over, and this will go 1 over. All right. Anyway, I wanted to do that to make it, you know, static item frames. But here we go. Weaponsmith. He will have. I don't. Okay. This dialogue is not right. There's 4. Yeah, 4. Is it 4? There's 4. Shoot, there was more. I feel like there was stone. And yeah, there's stone and yeah, it was just the 4. It was just that 4. Yeah, they call it weaponsmithy. Armor. Okay, right. Make sure I got my. Yeah, I got the right. And that gave me a jump scare. That was terrifying. But yeah, that's the ooh, it looks beautiful. Oh yeah, I did that. I remember doing that in the mod thing. But the weird thing about this is it operates like an item. Like I can still click stuff like a normal sword doesn't do that. I can. Okay, never mind. But it hits. There's something about it. I forget. Oh yeah, if I do this versus that. Shoot, I need a new trapdoor. So it won't instantly break stuff, of course. But if you're in your base, you can literally mine using a copper sword. Because I think it's registered as an item, and not a weapon. I don't remember why I did that. Something with I don't know. But anyways, I want to do there's 4 items, so I want to do a dialogue here. That's something like. I gotta delete this all. Let's pass stuff. Hello, traveler. I don't know what to say. What can I forge for you? I'm gonna say that. Forge for you. That just sounds cooler. I'm gonna be cool and say that. So we got a copper sword. Excuse my keyboard again. Copper sword. I don't remember the price. I'll figure it out. Then we got a stone sword. We got the stone axe. I believe that's next, and then the stone pickaxe. I want it to be in order of what's up here. Yeah. Pickaxe is last. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go add the buttons. C. Okay. Radius of 5. Put that there. I'm gonna go. It's gonna not leather cap. This is gonna be a copper sword. copper sword. Here we go. CSW buy, and then I don't know the price. I gotta memorize these prices. Going in order. I don't have this in the right. Okay, okay. Should be 8, 8, 5, 4. And I think it's gonna be 5. No, 4. 8, 5, 4, 4. 8, 5, 4, 4. Alright, that's our order. So now we're gonna go back in here and then go. Oh, this is not. It still has the that's the potatoes. It says one gold nugget. Quantity equals what was it, 8, 5? Yeah, 8, 5. So we're gonna do quantity of 5, but that's if it equals exactly 5. But we'll make sure it's 5 or more by doing that nice little period. Make sure not to do 3 periods, so it does not look like an ellipsis. Stone sword buy. That should be the right one. I need to make sure this is a radius of 5. Oh shoot, that button's not right. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go. Oops. Alright, stone sword. Buy stone sword. We're missing another button down there, so we're gonna go. What's next? Axe. Yeah, axe. Stone axe. I think. Unless it's just AX. It's probably AX. Yeah, it's AX. And then PK. Nope, I keep going to the wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, axe. And then you said 5 blocks. Has gold nuggets, and I remember it was 4. It's a quantity of 4. Add the stacks by. The stone axe by. And then we got the yeah, that's right. Except this isn't. So we're gonna go buy stone axe. Because of course this is the button right here. This is the text button that the player will be clicking. So make that button, and then it's gonna be. I have to type this all out because I didn't have this one. Yeah, it should be. Alright, let's just do this. Tag at P in a radius 5 blocks that has the item. The item equals. Now, the reason we do this, what's that called? The squiggly bracket, wavy bracket, is because the has item. What would I call that? The has item identifier, or in coding it's called not numerator. It's called something else. I'll think of it. Anyway, the reason it's there is because there's so many different specifications for the has item. The has item. Oh, what's the word? Identifier? It's not that. Quantity equals 4 again, right? 4 add stone pick by. The reason it's what's it called? Like a for loop, when, if, do, condition. It's the nope, I cannot think of the word. Buy stone pickaxe. Beautifully done, and it's cut off. So I'm just gonna say pick, because people will understand, and I'm pretty sure they called it that in this time period. Alright, but everything else. So this is like 1 character away from being off. Okay, now I do remember the price was. No, I don't. Yes, I do. It was 8 gold nuggets. Whoops, 5 gold nuggets. And then it was 4 gold nuggets. Nuggetes. And there we go. Beautiful. Kind of. Let's just say it is, because everything I do is beautiful. I'm trying to think about the centering of this. I feel like there's not enough space there. I'm gonna go to the top. It looks fine if it's at the top. Now we gotta test this copper sword. But bam! It took away 8 because 65. Yeah, 5. So it's gonna go down to 52. Yep. It's kind of loud. I feel like. 48. Get stone axe. Nice. This one's gonna go to 42. 44. Math is not mathing right now. Get the pick, and bam, it works. All right, now let's put that out. Make sure it's in the 5 radius, because I'm pretty like let's test this. I'm still in 5 radius. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. I literally knew it. Bruh. Mega bruh moment right there. Chat in the world. Okay, guys. Okay, let's lock in. It's not the end of the world, even though it feels like it is. About to crash out. I gotta start literally all over. But no, remove blocks. Remove blocks. Okay. Almost made another boo-boo. I'm just gonna cut to this being done. Alright, so I've finally finished all the fixing. Just wanna, okay. Yeah, I've finished all like the fixing part. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do this. Okay. I'm gonna do a clone. So I wanna make sure this copper item frame stays in this copper item frame. So I'm gonna do is, and I'm not gonna worry about these, I'll just clone this command block. I'm gonna make the block above the 2 blocks above this one, which is 1, 2, this item frame, go to this one, which is 1 over in 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, and 1 is the first coordinate is increasing. All right, so now we're gonna go clone, and now this is where I'm about to pull out a copy and paste because Discord has done something stupid with shift apostrophe key, whatever that one is. Okay, clone 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, increase, 2, I think it was 6, 3, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now let's do a repeat, always active, static, I cannot spell, static frame, nice. See, that's beautiful. Now all we gotta do is this. Okay. So now I'm gonna move this block below me. I'm gonna clone it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the block below me. We're gonna move it to one to the right, which is 1. That increases, which is below, and that's also below me. So I'm gonna move it there. Now it's there. It's just actually moved that there. Now wait, no, this is the static frame. Yes, but I do not want that to be the static frame. I want it to go over an additional 1. Just gonna go there. Now this is static. And that's the one I want to be static. I'm gonna clone this again. There it goes. Kinda got scared. I'm gonna clone it again. Now the pickaxe becomes static. And we're gonna clone it again, but now we have to go backwards. And now we've made a glitch. I see how it's working now. We gotta go back. We gotta go back too. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's kind of pretty. That gives me an idea. Oh my goodness. Quite the lag. Now we're on fire. Please leave me alone, game. This game is out to get me. Just saying. Alright, I just took like a little break. I don't expect y'all to be here watching this unless you're trying to learn something or you're just bored out of your mind, okay? Anyway, yeah, I think that's kind of cool. I feel like I could use that to... Oh, okay. It's like Mario when you like get the box and it's like cycling items and you have to get it, and whatever you punch it, wait, watch this. We have to hit the item frame. Okay, never mind. I don't know, that's what it looks like the mystery box. It just makes, imagine there's like a bunch more items. Like I could do this. Actually, I could do this. Actually, I could do this. And now there's an additional item. Except now it's being goofy. It's not wanting to add a third item. There it goes. No, but I want the sword to be there. It's too many blocks over. So I'm going to put that there. Now it's going to go there. Now it's beautiful. They're all static. Voila. Okay. Next thing's next. I want to make sure if this happens again with NPCs, maybe I'll get to that later because I have to redo Yeah, now it's going to that NPC. I have to do this, redo the stinking, I have to redo the, what am I trying to say? The, mode selector. Pay no attention to the voice acting. Yeah, this finds a player that has the ender eye in their hand. Then when they do, it runs a command block here, which then, wow, that's pretty deep. At the closest player with the ender eye, run the dialogue to open the closest NPC that is not any of those. I see what I gotta do. So I'm gonna do this. I can take out this, shorten the code. It's the type NPC that's not any of that. So I have to go add a tag. Or I can have one tag. Crap my knuckles. I don't have to add all those tags. I can just add a tag that defines the guide. So I don't think I had a video on this, but there is now because my NPCs died. So I don't even need to have this there. So just the closest entity named guide, or not named guide, tagged guide, to the closest player that has the thing, which should be this. This app will be this app because it's executing at this player, and the closest player to this player is the player that this player is, if that makes sense. If you know, you know. You know, just the dialogue command. Okay. You know, actually, I don't even need this, and that I can further. Yeah, this command was like way too long. So at the closest player that has the ender eye, on the dialogue to open the guide, which is the ender eye menu, to the closest player. If it's executing at this closest player, it's gonna be the player. It's just like doing for myself. Give at P, because I'm the one executing the closest person. I think you get it now. The closest player to the one who's executing it, which is me, is going to be me 100% of the time. So that's the UI. Okay, now I got to tag. I got to make these NPCs. Yeah, and this just locks the ender eye in the inventory using some JSON stuff. Actually, it's not really fully there because it doesn't have the. It's just like, okay, you know. Yeah, let's replace item command. So that's very interesting. Yeah, replace item is when you want to give an item to a very specific slot in a player's inventory, or like a chest, or if you want to make an entity or armor stand or player equip armor. It's been very specifically, you know. So this one's putting to all the players who have completed the tutorial. It's going to put in their 8th slot of their hotbar, which is the last one, because even though there's 9, it starts at 0, just like an array in programming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 9 items. So slot 8, ender eye, 1, type 0. That just makes it normal. Don't gotta worry about that. You put any number in there. I'm just teaching you this right now. Then it turns on the item lock mode to lock in the slot, which is exactly what this is. So I cannot, even in creative, the only way to move this is to use a clear command to clear the ender eyes from my inventory, or just clear in general, clear everything. I do not want to do that. I have beautiful things, yeah, shulker boxes of stuff to build with. Anyway, well, that's bans. I got that's stuff to work on. I have to ban those items. Okay, you know, because I ban boats. I'm sorry, but people can boat glitch in Minecraft, and I don't want that happening. Yes, that's what I was gonna do. Yes, I have to make a new NPC. Summon NPC. That was intense. Okay. Let's see. Now I know I want the skin to be that. What in the world? I did not even think that. I had a whole. Okay, wait. Unless it's inside. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, okay. Because it killed the boats too. Shoot. I'm gonna have to redo that test. The frame rate got low. Oh, okay. This is the, as you can see here, it's kind of obvious. The level select. It's beautiful. It's just a work in progress. Gotta get people to what's the word? What the word? Gotta get people to What's the word? Gotta get people to build it. That's what I'm trying to say. No, I do not care to buy some goods. That is gonna be a meme. I feel like it is. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, now I gotta check in with this, because we got hub TP, no, the file TP, level select TP, organized PvP TP, which is just called the arena, apocalypse, anima, hub. Okay. Anima and classes. So I got, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, okay, it's 6, so it's perfect. And then I got some other teleport functions that are not in use this too. Okay, I'm talking too much. Here it is. I'm gonna go. What's the main thing? What should be in the middle? I don't know. I gotta think. What do I want the players? What's the main thing players would want to do? Like the first buttons, they'll see the button layout. So the least important I could put at the bottom. So, apocalypse, organized. Ooh, this is hard. Anima, because I feel like file, hub, and level select. Yeah. Okay. So I'll do hub, file, level select. Or should it be game modes? Yeah. Okay. It's actually already organized. These are game modes, and these are stuff to check your inventory. So I'll do like that. Hub, anima, file. Ooh, yes, I like that. Apocalypse. I'm gonna work reverse actually. Hub, anima, file. Okay, I'll just start that. Let's go in there. Except hub isn't there. Shoot. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, but it should. It should. Okay, wait, what should I title this as? Just if a player is getting lost and they're trying to find their way back. Something like, yeah, return to Haven. Except I think that's going to be too long. So tag at P. Has item equals enter I, of course. Location equals slot dot weapon dot main hand. That's very straightforward. Closest player that has the enter I, add hub TP. Okay, so the only problem here is I could do this with functions on a mod, but I do not want to use functions because it's cooler if I just have everything in command blocks. So what's going on here is it's going to tag the closest player to this NPC that's holding the ender eye. So if two people are using the menu at the same time, and one clicks a button before the other, and say the other one's closer, I think you know what I'm saying. Just gotta think about it. Anyway, so that should be that. I'm gonna tag this. I need to tag at n type equals NPC add guide. Do I actually have the other ones? No, I don't. Yeah, no, I don't. Wait, it looks like I do. I'm skimming over this. Yeah, I don't. Okay, guide. Add guide to the NPC. Now it'll work. Bam. Alright, now we're gonna go return to Haven. Does the loading. There it goes. Okay. And we're here. Now we can just edit it through this menu. Is that too long? No, it's perfect. So I'm gonna start doing this. Hello, traveler. Alright, so I got that in. Now I'm gonna want to do the rest of the buttons. So I'm gonna go hub. I think I want to change that because they're already in the Haven, of course, because this menu type only works in the Haven. So I'm gonna say return to spawn. Yeah, return to spawn. lowercase? Yeah, lowercase. Tag at p that has item. Yeah, item equals integer I. I'll cut here too. And this button, I think I'm gonna have two to be the file. I feel like files are second most important. Ooh, no, I'm gonna say level select. Level select. Oops, I did not do that right. So I'm gonna go to the level select. So we're gonna go, I think it's gonna be LSTP. Let's just say that. Let's just say that's right. Let's see if it works actually. Ooh, there it goes. Okay. And it's gonna do the, oh, this is the original. Wait, it is? Wait, no, it's not. Wait, what was here before? Years ago. Yes, that was the old one. Okay, now I want it to go. Oh, please don't. Okay. It's the beginning of it. Okay, I want to go. Oh, I'm in dev mode. Oh, wait, right here. There it goes, there it goes, okay. So I want it to go right here. Let's get our coordinate. Make sure we're on track. Okay, so that's decreasing. 108. Yeah, 109. Was it 0.5? 108. 108 point. Yeah, that's right. There we go. So now we do that. Ah, there's not an NPC in range. Okay, let's go back. That is still on my screen. What in the world? Hello? No, I do not want to buy goods. I did not need to go all the way back here. Okay. What am I doing? I was going there. I did need to go over here. Okay. Level select. TP. I'm going to set this to be there. Nice. Okay. Oh, I did not need to do. Okay. Level select. We go to level select and go over here. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's actually awesome. Are you gonna do the function? Oh, there it goes. It's a little weird. Little campy. Oh, what is happening? Help. Help. I'm stuck in a hole, that's what it is. I'm not supposed to teleport. Okay, there's a camera glitch. No! No! Okay, wait, do I have to tag? What is that? HE. Oh, the damage. Tag at S list. Do I have dev mode? Oh, dude, what? Oh, that's why it's not teleporting me. Tag at S. Okay, remove dev mode. Okay. I'm sorry, it's a capital S. Remove dev. Come on, take me away. Take me away. Okay, fly. I don't care. Come on. My elytra's on. Come on, get me out of here. Okay, moving along. Okay, camera at S clear. Oh, where am I at? Okay, whoa. Got way out there. Okay. So, I might... Oh, it's because I hit that. Okay, let's go back to level select. No, we're going back. Alright. This should have... No. Oh, I need a facing direction. Get me out of here. Yes, okay. What am I going to be facing? I'm going to be facing... because it's over there, I'm going to be facing... And the first coordinate will decrease. Okay. First coordinate will decrease. The facing direction is really important. I need to disable camera as well. I think it is. Okay. So we're going to go facing... Let's say 28. And then let's go 2. So it's... 1. No, 1. Yeah, 1. And then 108. 0.52. Yeah, no, it's just 108. Yeah, and then it goes. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Now it should work. Let's do it. Level select. Here we go. Now let's go left. There it goes. Oh, actually, it made me look up a little more. Okay, is there a camera disableation? Yes, that's a word. With the hub TP, clear. Oh, I see what that is. Oh, because it stays on forever. Why do I have that main... What is the title? Oh, wait, that's just to have a subtitle. That's all I did. Because I like the subtitle better. Yeah. It's nearly invisible. No, it won't be when I add trees in. But, shoot, it's doing it again. It's doing it again. I should not be on Sector 4. Come on, I gotta move. No. There we go. Oh dear. I'm on Sector 8 now. Which way am I facing? How did I get turned around like that? I need to turn camera off. Okay, I see. Oh, it's crazy. Okay. No, it needs to when you go in, like right here. Yeah. Okay, nope. What am I doing? Nope. Stop. Lag. Right here. I don't remember what it is. It's control. Yeah. Add us. Sets. Okay, this is different. This is actually very interesting. Camera relative strafe. Doesn't apply control scheme to... I honestly don't know what this is. This is new. Locked player? What does that do? Help. Locked player relative strafe. I don't know what I just did. I don't know what I just did. I feel like that's what it was already on. Camera relative. I don't have any relatives. Okay. What am I talking about? Okay, let's see what this does. Player relative. Nope, doesn't want to do that. Player relative strafe. Nope, but what it does want to do is this one. Which is kind of tricky. I don't know. Let me clear this. Let's see what this does. Watch me just like disable my... I don't know what I'm doing. No, it's, what's it called? It might be on the... Override something? What's it called? It's called... Has a G in it, I feel like. No. What's it called? Oh, shoot, what's it called? It's... I'll just cycle through it. Input permission, that's what it is. That's literally what it is. Set. Oh, query gets it, right? Yeah. No, set at S. Okay. Ooh, and then I can turn off moving left and right. But that's actually very interesting because then I can make it to where for the skill tree. Okay, camera. Now I want to disable move backward, move forward. I want to disable... No, I want to disable camera. Yeah, camera and moving backward. Yeah, if you're not facing to like exactly perfectly, it's just not gonna work. So let's do no, the wrong thing again. Input permission. There's one M in that, right? At A in a radius of 1 block. Set camera disabled. and then we're gonna go no cam move, and then we're gonna go repeat, always active. Okay, my camera can still move, okay. But I also want to make it to where when you hit the function, oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, that's the title. Yeah. No, I want to make it to where I think I'm gonna have to have another. What did I do? What's this doing? Oh, I literally do. I literally do have a thing. Return title. Oh, that's what that is. Okay. I'll play. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's turn this to. Oh, that's every 10 seconds. Why is it like that? Let's see. So, what's this going on? Oh, to see if they've done the previous sector. What's that? So this is if they've done 7, right? Yeah. This just sets the initial. Oh, please no. Test 4. Okay, why do I have? Oh, yeah. Okay. This is the actual thing. There should be a test 4 as well. Yeah. I'll have a thing there. Tagging them. Yeah. Okay. I'm still thinking about this. It's funny. Okay, I don't have any of these sectors. Will I have? Okay, anyway. So, let's try this. I'm gonna go back to the hub. There it goes. There we go. And we're gonna go open the menu again. We're gonna go level select. Alright, here we go. Here it is, the full feature. I cannot move my camera. I know I can't change my perspective. So I should be facing over there. And I'm not. Except it's thinking I'm... No. How did I fall in? I literally fell in. No. Oh, I already returned. Okay. We're gonna move left. You're supposed to turn off my camera. Shoot, is it set first? No, you're supposed to input permission, set. Yes, it is. Okay. What am I doing? That's why it's not working. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it goes. Oh no, it's teleporting me. So now I go here. No, I can still move. Why are you letting me move my camera? No, all entities. Let's raise this. I'm still looking around. No, I'm not. Oh, I can't move. Ah! I can't move. I can't look around. Okay. We're gonna go input permission. Set as camera enabled. I just disabled it. I literally pressed tab twice. Enabled. Bam. There we go. Once again, we're free. Okay, now I'm gonna do a tag. Very advanced maneuver here. Oh dear. Oh, okay, that's what that was. Okay, we're gonna go tag, and this is where we're gonna have other things, other beautiful things. So tag closest player in a radius of, I think it's gonna be 2 blocks this time. Right. Because that's 1. That should be 2. Not gonna do it yet. And what is happening over here? This just test 4 to do the title. That should only say that if they've completed 7. Okay, but I also need to have it in there just in case they get stuck. Oh, I need to have an NPC there, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna copy and paste that. Alright, I'm gonna just do this. Please stop. Please game stop. No, I wanna just click you. I don't wanna. There we go. Tag add sector. Yeah, sec1 TP. That's what it's gonna be called. Yeah. It's gonna be. No, you know, it's gonna be called broadcast. It's TP function. That's what that is. It's defining the player within 2 blocks that this player wants to go to sector 1. Always active, and yeah. So that's what that does. And okay, wait, help. Now it just tagged me. I'm gonna use this. Okay, now we're back here. Now we're gonna go into here. Oh, there's a bit of lag. Yes, we're gonna have sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's good. And we have 2 more. Yeah. Alright. So now I'm gonna make this function. So what it was what it's gonna do is it's gonna look for the broadcast. It's gonna look for all players that have the tag sector1 TP. And we're gonna use test for. Not test for, test for. Gonna happen all the time. And there it goes. It's actually gonna find me. It should have. I guess it did. I guess I didn't get the tag. But no, here we go. Yeah. It's gonna look for those players. Once it does, it's gonna do a camera screen. It's gonna want to do this. We're gonna want to copy this, except put sector1 TP. Yeah. Okay. Fade time 231 color 0200 230. Alright, there, here we go. Camera. I don't know the rest. Okay, I got it. No, I don't. Tag equals sector1 TP. Fade time 02. No, 03. No. 0. Yes. 03. No, I don't know. It was 1, wasn't it? It was probably 1. 231. What am I thinking? That's instant. Yeah. Fade time 231. Color 0200 230. 231. Color 0200 230. Bam, bam, instant, just like that. Everything looks good. Next is going to be the actual teleportation, and then finally we have the tag removal. So now we're going into chain command blocks. It's active. We want to put a delay, though. For the tag, I'll tell you that later. We're gonna go teleport at A with the tag of sector 1 TP. Teleport all those players to, for now, I'm going to say this. Whoa. This, which is the spawn point. I'm going to call this TP. Later I'll get to it because it's obvious. I'll try to teleport and it won't work. So that's that. But we want to add a delay because what down here says it's going to do the camera for all the sector 1 TPs. All sector 1 TPs. Fade time is going to be 2 seconds going in, 3 seconds staying in, and 1 second fading out. And that's what that is, that screen that fades over. 2 seconds in, 3 seconds staying, 1 second out. So it's going to take 2 seconds to fade in. So we want to have it at least 2 seconds before it teleports them so they don't see the actual teleportation. So we're going to do 45 ticks because 20 ticks is a second, so 40 ticks is 2 seconds, and then we just go up a little bit just in case there's some lag or something. Next, we're going to end the function, which is the tag removal of the player, to show that they've finished the teleportation. And we're going to go chain always active again, and we're just going to go tag at A, tag equals sector, the sec1 TP, remove sec1 TP. It's going to remove the tag sec1 TP from every single player that has sec1 TP. But that's fine because every player will have already been teleported at that exact instant because this has 0 delay. Right? And then say there's 1 tick later, a player gets that tag, they're going to be test forward and they're going to be put back in the loop. And it's all going to be great. So now, I actually don't need to do that. I can do, actually, you know, I'll do it. I'm going to go level select, No, we're just in the game. Go to level select. Alright, sector 1. Alright, let's go in. Walk forward. Teleports us. That is now doing the thing. And now we're in. And our camera's off still. Holy cow. Cam as clear. No, it's input permission. Shoot, input. There it goes. Now we're gonna have to do something about that. Majorly. We're probably gonna add a function actually. We're gonna have to add it in. And we're gonna have to do title. So let's actually just get rid of that because we need two more things to do. We need to, one, enable cam, and two, if I can get this, there it goes, and two, we need to remove title, and then we need to end the function with the tag removal. Alright, oh, the title's gone, but I don't want it to be there, so we're gonna go, first we're gonna do this one, input permission, yes, set at the tag of sector 1 TP, not sector 21, there we go, sector 1 TP, camera enabled. I believe that is correct. Come on, pull up the history. So, yeah, camera enabled, okay, enabled, yes, okay, now we're gonna set this to chain, always active. So when the teleport's done, they can move their camera. Oh, but I want the title to go first. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. There's no... Stop flying. There's no issue. I want to remove the title first. So I want to do the camera last. Enable cam. I'm getting so much lag. It's probably because of those NPCs, I don't know. Then we're gonna have the TP. So we're just gonna take this out and replace it with the teleport command. Teleport all players. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this lag. Stop. No. Stop. There you go. With a sector 1 TP to -465125. There we go. And that's the teleport. Just like it is here. But this one we want to remove the title. So we're gonna go. No, wait. Want to cancel that? Great button right here. Still there. I need to actually. They won't teleport. They'll stay there. The title will get removed. Then it'll be re-added. So I need to have the teleport first, and then the title removal. So we're gonna go title at A with the tag of sector 1 TP. Clear. That's all we gotta do there. So we're gonna call this title clear. Whoa, I did not type a J. Obviously I did. They get teleported. I guess it'll be fine. So they know they're still teleporting, I guess. To clear the title after they teleported. Just in case for a little bit of lag. We'll do that, an extra delay. So this will take about 2.5 seconds to teleport. Except the screen, there's still a screen, so it's 9. What am I saying? It's 6. Next we gotta turn on the camera, so input permission set at A with the tag of sector 1 TP. Camera enabled. Set all players with the tag of sector 1. Yeah. Put that to that. Camera's gonna turn back on, and then we gotta end the function. Tag at A with the tag of sector 1 TP. Remove sector 1 TP. And there it is. And we put this chain, always active. And now the whole function should be there. Let's try it out. Level select. There it is. We walk forward to enter the level. And the title goes, and we're here, and our camera's on. Nice. So that's that. Honestly, that's it. So there we go, we got 6 command blocks just for that function to teleport to sector 1 with a nice level select look to it. And I gotta do that for all the other 7 sectors. You know what I mean. I'm getting a ringing in my ear. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna go. So I'll just pause it. I'll just pause the recording and I'll probably pick up. Where am I at? I'm at the NPC still. So I got a little sample of that. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Next, I want to do file. File. Oh wait, no. Go to my file. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh no, I'm just gonna title it my file. Tag the closest player that has item. Item equals ender I. Location is slot.weapon.main hand. Whoa. Main hand. Right? Add file TP. The closest player with the. Yeah. So I'm gonna try my file. Or was it? This is a very different function. Because it's exclusive. I had file TP. And it's not teleporting me. Did I make a typo? File TP. Closest player? Wait. Let me look at the previous ones. Has item equals ender I. Location is slot.weapon.main hand. Add file TP. It should work. Okay, I don't know what that was about. Here we go. And now we're at my file, which is actually what I'm working on as well. Is the file system. Yes, this NPC is still here. It was out of simulation distance. And that's the player data management. So then the files are over here. Upgrading system, I'm gonna refurbish that. So now as we're here, we're gonna go here. And okay, so it was, yeah. So that cyan bold. So that's what I'll do. I'll do that there. Let's pull this up. Yeah, let's do cyan bold. There we go. Whoa. What's going on there? I deleted you. There should be a T here. I deleted the wrong key. Okay. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go. Can I actually do that? No, I accepted. Okay. I don't like the format of this. I'm your guide. Man, I don't like. Okay, I just. Oh god, let me do that. Okay, to the haven, I can. Okay, what? There's a glitch happening. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, I'm just gonna cut that off and do it. What are you doing? Anywhere? Nope, it wants to do that. Let's do that. There we go. There we go. I want that to be on the same line though. So I think I'm gonna do this. Let's do a new line. I'm your guide to, okay, now let's do this thing. Here. Just cut that off. Nice. To the haven. I can't take you anywhere. Yeah. Nice. We got these 3 in right now. Honestly, yeah, it just does that loading part. Okay. Next, we gotta get. What's the next most important game mode? Because I feel like, okay, well, the least important, I think, would be. Okay, no, I know the next. It's anima classes. Anima and classes. So tag at P has item equals ender I location reputation equals slot dot weapon main hand, and then we're gonna go, yeah, that's right, and then we're gonna go add anima TP. I think that's what it is. Let's see this. Nice, we got it right. And then once we're here, pull this. Nope. No, this NPC was killed too. He was slaughtered. Oh, you're right there. What are you doing? I'm holding out an ender eye. Why are you not? I don't have a comma here. The most simple thing. There we go. Just that comma. Return to Haven. We're back here. There it goes. There we go. Pulls back up. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Least important, I think, is POC. Okay. I gotta learn how to spell this. I'm skipping that one. The arena tag at P has item equals ender I. Location equals slot dot weapon dot main hand. Add organized. I think it's just PvP TP. I'm pretty sure that's right. I'll test it. The arena. Nope. I got that one wrong. I'm gonna go check. Let's see, it's OPVP. Even though there's only that. Okay. Because I had unorganized PvP and it was just dumb and render simulation distances and stuff. So now let's use this. Nice, there goes. And I gotta work on this too. Ooh, this is so old. Yeah. This is nostalgic. Doesn't give up. PvP wins due to fixing the scoreboard. Oh yeah, I remember that. How do you get out? Shoot. Oh, whoa. Just top right in. Oh, this is back when I used redstone with my command blocks. Like, heavily. But I still will. Actually, with this design. I used to use redstone a lot. Now the only redstone I use with command blocks is comparators, of course, not gates. And actually this is very interesting because it has to stop the circuit, because when a game is running, which I can do that with commands now, if a game is running you can't start another one. But that should be over there, not here. What does this even do? Test for if there's one player left. And then this is the finishing, game over. Give him a score, reset the game. You win. Okay. Oh, it's a clone. Okay, this is very interesting. Yes, I'll have to check this out later. And I can't get back using a thing, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Alright. Yeah, so that's that. Next we gotta do Apocalypse, and I gotta spell this correctly. Apocalypse. Wait, is that I think it's right. Wait, that looks even more right. Shoot, I don't know. Tag at P. Yeah. Has item equals ender I. Location equals slot dot weapon. Whoa. Weapon dot main hand. Add APTP. Alright. Tag. Okay, the closest player with it. Yes. We go in Apocalypse. Bam. No, I got it wrong. It's probably. Wait, watch it be AP hyphen. No, just ATP. ATP, TP. ATP, TP. Honestly? No, it'd be funny to just change it to opta just for laughs. Shoot. I'm so happy that was not a command block. because I would have been depressed already having to do this. There we go. Why am I... You know what? Oh, I know why. I don't have an actual teleport in there. Okay. It should be right here. Let's skip that. Let's go... Oh, join. There's this leave button. Oh, you can't leave. You just have to die. Okay, so I don't have leave things in that game mode. Okay, let's go to the TP part of the function. And just go slam that in there. Nice, now it's in. And now we fixed the majority of this. Spawn levels like file, animal classes, arena, apocalypse. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay. Now what I gotta do is duplicate this guy enough. And why did I have him in a boat? There was a reason. I had you in a boat. It was probably so I don't accidentally teleport him. Yeah, it probably was. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna save this guy, because this guy's your best friend in the game. I'm gonna call this the guide. Oh, wait, okay, no. I'm not gonna be sarcastic. I'm not gonna be dramatic. I mean, the guide. The dramatic part is that it's the. One, cut him off. Two, yeah, there we go. One, and he's just chilling there. Yeah, that's what we want right there. Save the guide. We saved him. Yes, now I would like to. You have the tag, right? Your tag. You're set up like everything. No, I know he's set up because that was working. Yeah, he has the tag. Okay. You're set up. You're good. I don't know why I had you in a boat. I'm just going to leave you like this right now. Just going to close that up. 8 commands. Because there's 6 in his thing. And then 7, 8. No, it's 9. There's 9 commands. What am I yapping about? The lag, I don't know why, is bonkers. And I think... Why do I want to destroy? I'll check it later. Something to do with experience. The experience bar being used. I do not want to buy your goods. Something about the experience bar being used to reflect your level. I think I had a way of... I'll brainstorm it while I go to bed or something. I do that a lot. Okay, I don't need this. I learned that. Just stick that back in there. Nope. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's the stuff I use for signs and stuff. Blue is kind of just no general, and red is no. I don't have a green. I don't know. I'm yapping. Let's see. What is next? I gotta think about what's next. I did that. I gotta make some NPCs. Yeah, that's why I copied them. Okay. And then okay, I got it. So I gotta find everywhere in the game. Okay. Is this probably? Nope. It's not out of render distance, so we're good. Nope. Oh, but this is gonna definitely be out of render distance. Yeah, okay. Well, that's very pretty. Alright, so I need an NPC. I'm gonna say right below here seems right. I could put a secret here. Oh, wait. I know what this... I know. Where is... No. No, that's not right. I'll put one in here, yeah. Wait, this is... Yeah, it's for this. Okay. Yeah, I'll just put one... Yeah, let's make one chill right here. There we go, load the... Oops, the guide. I'm gonna actually put that in notes so that I can copy and paste it. The guide. Then I can highlight it. Copy. There we go. I'm gonna put you not there. You're gonna go up there. Hello, guide. Now it should work. There it goes. And that's exactly how I want him. Might change his name. I hope I don't have to. Honestly, no, I don't need. I only need the main one. Okay. Alright, are we good here? Yes. Yeah, we're good. Alright, and this one. Still, but this lag is crazy. Alright, we don't got one here. We're gonna go down into here. Oh, yep. There we go. We're gonna put one right here. Paste. Bam. Go back. Okay, this lag is crazy. Why am I getting all this lag? Why is it so laggy? Laggy. Okay, we got... Nope, we need an NPC over here. Cherry tree. Oh, hello. Hello. Care to buy some goods? And no, I'm not the voice in that voice acting thing. That was kind of a test. I might redo it because it sounds too funny. I might keep it because it does sound funny. Should my game be serious? I don't know. I say nope. I say it should be serious. Alright, are we good over here? Yes. And I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, nope, I don't want to open windows. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we only put 3 down. It's like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have 4 guides. Okay, test for. Yeah, I could do a test for at E type equals. No, not type. Just tag. Tag equals guide. I think it's lowercase. There it goes. We have 4 guides. And I don't know how many other NPCs I lost. I guess I'll find them as I build the game. I know I lost... Okay, I know I lost... Yeah, the main chunks. I lost the title screen. Yeah, the minecart and that. Okay. I'm gonna have to work on that too. I saved it. Let's go. I'm a genius. Just stick that back in there. And I just need a minecart to run on those rails. Did I tag the minecart? Can I just do like summon minecart? Nice. Now is it flying? No, it's not. Now why? Why does you not? What's this do? Tag. Wait. That's tag. What about name? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is how you get it. Wait a minute, is that capital? It's capital. Would it be name? I think it's name. I feel like it's name. It's probably name. Watch it. Yep, it's gone. It's vanished. It's vanished into thin air. Okay. Now I want to go at the minecart, teleport the cam. Yes. Yes, that's exactly what that is. I'm going to take that out. Name equals... Okay. Alright, now we got that. Now we're going to find this minecart. Test for my up at E type equals minecart. We found one, so we're just going to go tag at E type equals minecart. Add title screen cam. Yeah, that should be it. And now it should be hovering above it. Yep. Yeah, I got that right. Alright, let's check it out. My camera. Mine dev mode. Is dev mode preventing me? No, it's because the camera. There, yeah, this one. It's still stuck on that. Yeah, I need to make 1, 2, 3. Name. Yeah, name. Okay. Is there anything? No. No. Please find. There it is. Title. What was that? Just. Oh, that's the main. Yeah, it's the main. What's that? Is that? That's to put down the shulker. Yeah, the sensor. Okay, let's drop into here. Bam. And it doesn't want to move. Okay. Okay, you have fun with that. No, it's wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Okay, why are we not... Places the sensor down. This should be... all players in 7 blocks to execute at the name of the camera. Get on camera, set my camera to it facing the center. And it's worked. That's it. So why? It's not moving, is it? What in the world? Is that minecart stop? What are you doing there? What are you doing there, buddy? Keep going. Alright. Now it should work. There we go. There we go. And it's any movement button, really. It's my render distance. I didn't move. Chat, I did not move. I heard the sound that I moved, so obviously I moved. Why is there so much lag? What? Why is it like that? I've done 14 chunks. I'm gonna put down 12. I still have... Okay. It should be... Okay, what? That's weird. Why is it up here? Why is it up here? Turn off. Yeah, do that. Deferred. Oh. I think I'm gonna go to bed now. I don't like it that low though. I've got less lag. A little bit. Yeah, 10 chunks is enough. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's worse. Yeah, 10 chunks is enough to see the lobby. If you're standing on this wall though, you cannot see the other side. Yeah, if you're on mobile. I need to reduce the performance issues. I think it's because there's so many NPCs. Is the lobby too big? Why are you here? Wait a minute. Is there a spawner? I thought I killed all of you. There honestly might be a spawner. Why? I thought I killed you guys. Snipe. Where are you all coming from? Show me your lair. Oh dear, I just walked into that. Well, I got it fixed for a good majority of it. Okay, now I want to make sure I don't lose any more NPCs. Okay, I have a failsafe there. I just need to add a minecart to it. Okay. There it is. I wonder, can I name a minecart? Fine. Can I name you? No. Oh no, maybe I can't. Let's put you in there. So then I have to tag that minecart. No, I can name it on an anvil. Actually, let's do that. I can make it so much easier just so it never happens again. I've removed anvil, so I have to go set block, anvil. I did not type that. No. Anvil. Okay. What's it supposed to be? I'm gonna set the camera to run. Yeah. Okay. No, please, no. There we go. Get rid of that. Now we're gonna go effect, name. Okay. Now it's the tag name. Do I need? Okay, good. There we go. So we're gonna name this title dash screen dash cam. Title dash screen dash screen dash cam. Title dash screen dash cam. This should still work. Bam. Please still work. That's the stopped one. Oh, just started moving. Start moving. Now I guess I have 2 minecarts. That's fine. It's connected to that one though. Wait, is it a little laggy because of the extra one? No, it stops though. Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop all the way over there? TP at S to at E. Name equals title dash screen dash. Oops, I got it again. Cam. Bam. I'm gonna delete you from existence. There it goes. And I don't. No, the direction's fine. That's probably why there's a little bit of lag, is because there's effects. And it's literally in the ticking area. Ticking me off area. Oh, that's to. Okay, that's to get myself. Let's try this now. Let's try it now. Okay, reverse direction. It's fine. What's this do? I see. Okay, so easily fixed. All I have to do is remember this just in case. Okay. All I have to do is spawn these, and we're good to go again. Easy. Those I have saved here, but next I want to do the rest. So now we're gonna go TP at E type equals NPC. Its tag is not guide, because I already have guide, to add S. Nice. And why do we have a guide? It's the other guide, for crying out loud. Okay, TP at N type equals NPC to add S. Okay, now we got a butcher. Oh, that's the farmer. What am I saying? That's the butcher. Yeah. Oh, and this guy. Wait a minute. Oh, there's. Okay, there. Kinda scared me. Okay, now we're gonna pull another one out of you. Yoink. It's one of the armors. Okay. And then I'm gonna do. Who are you? A leather gear. Okay. I'll pull you over here. Or there. There we go. Okay. Let's yoink another man out of here. I'll make a man. Okay, I'm sorry. Who are you? Weaponsmithy. Just got the right one. Okay. Then we're gonna go. It's probably gonna teleport. Yep. Okay. I want you to go. Stop. This lag is. I'm literally pressing it. This lag is killing me. Okay, there we go. Right there. Put you right there. So we got chain, yeah, the armor, chain, leather. Now in the right order, weaponsmithy. Then you three guys. And you're from the profile, aren't you? Yeah, you are. I'm gonna tag you. I'm gonna tag you something special. Tag at E. No, tag at N. Type equals NPC. No, not NCP. NPC. Closest NPC. Add player base. That's all you are. Player base guide. Guide, yeah. The player base guide. And you need to go back to where you belong. In the kitchen. Alright. TP at N tag equals PB guide to negative. I'm just gonna go there for now so I can put him in the taking area so I can come back to him later. Now you guys are a piece of work. Although I should tag them so I can easily teleport them. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. You go, stop flying. Alright, let's go tag you, Fletcher. You're Fletcher now? Who are you? You're Butcher. Hello, Butcher. Butcher. Farmer. Farmer. Who are you? Leather. You already have a tag. You already have a tag. You already have a tag. Weapon. Just weapon. Alright, you're weapon man. Do you know the weapon man? I'm sorry. Not that high. We're gonna go out to 7. We're gonna go out to 7 as well. Is that? Oh, well, that guy is out. You're out of place. Know your place. Yeah, Timmy. Timmy. Save this as Haven NPCs. Take a picture of this just in case I forget. One more minute. Alright, so I got that. Please, no one use a kill at E. Those are the hardest ones to replace. Yeah, save. There we go. Now you guys. We're gonna go TP at E in a radius of 10 blocks. 2. Negative 465125. Alright, we got all of them. Oh, the lag.
Hello, care to buy some goods?
No. Please. You're gonna go right here. TP at in a tag equals farmer. To add S. Yoink. Please don't die. That's interesting timing. No, please don't die. Please do your best to stay alive. Alright, next is Butcher. Butcher to add S. You stay alive as well. Next we have Fletcher. Fletcher to add S. Next we have Armorer. I'm just gonna stand here, just a little out of the way of the lava. Armor. Badass. Beautiful. You're gonna stand out of the way of the lava too. Come on, there we go. Weapon. There we go. Alright guys, lock in. Don't die. Alright, now we gotta get these guys. These guys. You're going under here. To the base. Nope. Into the basement. We're gonna TP leather right here. Leather. Right there. Wait a minute. You're the weaponsmithy. Why do you have that tag? Tag at n type equals NPC. Remove leather. Wait, whoa. Look at all those tags. Leather. Okay. Just do that for now. No, wait, don't do that yet. Teleport. No, type equals NPC. 2 at S. Okay, there's only one. Okay, that's odd. You should not have that tag. Oh no, that's right. That's right. Now teleport leather to add S. Yeah, the closest letter. Teleport. Oh, what's the other one? Chain to add S. Yes, you belong there. Then we're gonna teleport weapon. I am dying to go to bed. I'm just gonna finish this. That lag is crazy. Alright, are we done? No, we got this one. Are you the last one? You kind of look like the last one. Let's just see if you're the last one. Teleport NPC to add it. Yeah, you're the last one. And you have a tag, right? I assume you have a tag. Okay. It's yes, PB guide. Okay. You're in here, so you're in range. Let's go, bam. Level select. No, my file. I'm not thinking. Welcome. Welcome. We're gonna go TP. Nope, tag equals player base. God, there it is. Guide to add S. You're gonna chill right there, bro. Stay, little boy. I'm sorry. No one is watching this video right now. This is just for historical purposes. I don't know. Yes, historical purposes. Oh. No, I think I'm signing off. I'm actually going to end this recording. So today we fixed an error of kill Eddie. Alright. And we found some other stuff we fixed. Actually, and we also added Sector 1. Teleport, minus the actual coordinates for that. We had the teleport function. And we did a little bit on the level select screen. Just with Sector 1. Oh, and stuff with the camera. There's some fine tuning. And, yeah, tomorrow we're gonna work on data management, which is just down here, along with player bases. I need to make it to where players can spawn in and have a profile created and immediately play the game without me having to put them in the system. Yeah, so there it is, signing off.